Capricorn. As you enter the month of October, things will begin to flow your way. This month will be very fruitful for you, especially in areas of work and finance. Work will be stable and will pick up after 6th of October, with new and more work coming in after the 13th of October and 24th of October. There will be a slight slowdown in areas of work post 27th of October until the 13th of November, but that is going to be the energies of next month. If you're planning on starting something new, 9th to 17th of October is the period when you get clarity about the same. For those who are looking at finding a new job, will also get results this month between the 2nd to the 14th of October. Finances will be slow initially till 10th of October, but pending payments and extra payments will begin to flow in after 12th and 24th of October. Avoid splurging unnecessarily post 26th of October. This month, a family member might also turn to you for financial help, or you will be making certain decisions or investments on the names of family members. Health will need attention between the 11th to the 21st of October and post 29th of October. If you've been feeling lazy or lethargic, you will begin to feel much better and more energetic physically after the 17th of October. This month, it would also be a good idea for you to get health checkups done to avoid any unnecessary complications in terms of health that could crop up later for you. Family life will be smooth and stable this month. In fact, you will receive or benefit a lot of help from family members, especially in areas of finance or emotional support. If you've been having frictions with a family member, things will settle down after 12th of October and you will reach mutual consensus after the 22nd of October. If you're married or committed, your partner's health will need attention between the 19th to the 29th of October. Avoid unnecessary frictions or arguments with an older family member between the 12th to the 16th of October. Social life will be slow till 13th of October as you might be busy with work, but things will pick up for you after the 19th of October, and around the 25th of October you will also reconnect with old friends and meet new people. If you're looking at hosting a party, the ideal period for you will be between the 19th to the 23rd of October. For those who are single, we'll meet a lot of interesting people in the first 2 weeks of October, and decisions about the relationship will only be made after the 27th of October. Karmic tip: focus on one thing at a time and do not take things personally.